Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Aksa Zafar. Today I am going to review the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera. This course has been getting a ton of attention and I am here to break it all down for you. We will explore what you will learn, the tools you will use, and how this certificate can help you launch your career in data analytics. So let's get started. Now let's begin by taking a quick look at what makes the Google Data Analytics Certificate so popular. The program is one of the most sought after on Coursera, especially for beginners. Data analytics is a booming field and demand for skilled analysts is growing by over 20% each year. This course is perfect if you don't have a degree or experience and want to build skills for a new career. In fact, more than 1 million students have already signed up, making it one of the most popular certificates out there. Next, I will break down the course and what you will be learning. This certificate is divided into 8 courses, each designed to teach you a specific part of the data analytics process. The first course introduces you to data analytics and explains what a data analyst does. It's a great way to understand the field and see if it's right for you. The second course teaches you how to ask the right questions and plan your analysis effectively, focusing on problem solving and decision making. The third course dives into organizing and cleaning data, a key skill in analytics. The fourth course teaches you how to transform and summarize data to uncover useful insights. The fifth course focuses on finding patterns and analyzing data using spreadsheets, SQL, and R programming. The sixth course covers creating dashboards and visualization using Tableau. The seventh course introduces you to R programming for data manipulation and visualization with hands on coding projects. Finally, the last course lets you apply everything you have learned to solve a real world problem and showcase your project to employers. So, what did I really like about the course? Well, the best part was its complete learning approach. It covers all the key topics in data analytics, helping you build a strong understanding. The hands on projects were another highlight, allowing me to apply what I was learning to real world situations. I also loved how the program integrates Google tools, which are widely used in the industry, helping me gain relevant skills. And since it's backed by Google, the certificate holds industry recognition, which can make your profile stand out to employers. However, as with everything, the course does have its drawbacks. It focuses mainly on basic concepts and doesn't dive deeply into advanced techniques. If you are looking to explore more complex methods or tools, this might not be the course for you. The lack of direct interaction with instructors is another downside. With limited opportunities to ask questions and get personalized guidance, some students may feel disconnected. Additionally, the course mainly uses similar data sets in the projects, which could limit your exposure to the different data types you may encounter in real world situations. Now, let's talk about who this course is actually for. This program is ideal for beginners with no prior experience and career changers looking to break into tech. However, if you already have knowledge of Python or want to learn advanced topics like machine learning, this may not be the best fit. So, is the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate worth your time and money? Let me break it down for you. The answer is yes, especially for those starting out in the field. It's an affordable and practical way to gain foundational knowledge in data analytics without needing prior experience or a degree. The course is designed to teach real world skills from cleaning and analyzing data to creating visualizations and presenting findings using tools like Tableau and R. The hands on projects are especially useful because they give you a practical experience, which is essential when starting a new career. However, the course might not be suitable for those who are already well versed in programming or advanced analytics techniques. If you are looking for an introduction to machine learning or in depth knowledge of statistical methods, this course may feel a bit basic. That said, if your goal is to enter the data analytics field quickly and build a strong foundation, this certificate can provide a solid starting point and is recognized by top employers in the industry. In short, the certificate is a great option for beginners and those looking to transition into the data analytics field. Now, if you are looking to learn Python along with your data analytics skills, there are a couple of great alternatives to consider. The IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate is an excellent option. It provides a comprehensive introduction to data analytics with a focus on Python programming, making it ideal for those who want to dive into Python while learning the basics of data analysis. Another great option is the Udacity Data Analyst Nano Degree program. This program offers a more in-depth curriculum covering Python, SQL, and advanced analytics techniques, making it suitable for those who want a deeper understanding of the field. For those especially looking for a more advanced program that still uses R programming, the Advanced Statistics for Data Science specialization is an excellent alternative. This specialization focuses on advanced statistical techniques and provides a deeper dive into data analysis using R for statistical modeling, which can be beneficial if you are interested in mastering the statistical side of data science. You can find the link to this course in the description below. I hope this review has helped you decide whether the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate is the right choice for you. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.